Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the quiet resort corridor of Beverly and Salem St. Anne, is this 3.75-acre property, which allows for a relaxing living experience complemented by panoramic ocean views, along with the convenience of essential amenities in Runaway Bay, which is located nearby. The world famous Sharkie's Seafood Restaurant is also located close by, whilst Richmond Housing Development is around 15 minutes drive away. Furthermore, the resort town of Ocho Rios is located around 30 minutes drive away. The ground floor of the main house consists of one bedroom, one bathroom, and a study. The first floor consists of master bedroom with ensuite, three additional bedrooms, three bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, linen closet, pantry, veranda, and covered patio. The single story cottage consists of two bedrooms, two bathrooms, living room, linen closet, kitchen, and veranda. A water catchment tank is constructed from reinforced concrete columns with reinforced concrete blocks with capacity of approximately 10,000 gallons. The vendors has expressed a preference for a cash purchaser. Please also note that the property is being sold unfurnished. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 500,000 or Jamaican $79.5 million dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.